Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sada, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 18th August 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and remained choppy within a band of less than 80 points throughout the day. It oscillated for the entire session and failed to decisively break either the resistance or support zones. The index witnessed lack of decisive directional conviction from the last three trading sessions, with support-based buying intact but lack of follow-up at the higher zones. It formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the daily frame and a bullish candle on the weekly frame with negation of lower lows formation of the last 5 weeks. India VIX was up by around 1.8% to 12.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.01. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,100 to 25,100, while immediate range is in between 24,400 to 24,800 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,889 crores, while DIIs or buyers were 3,700 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 8.3%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,500 for the next up move towards 25,000, while support can be seen at 24,350. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for the next up move towards 56,000, while support can be seen at 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Uno Minda, Eternal, HDFC Life, K Fintech, AB Capital, Eicher Motors, Indigo and Maruti. While some weakness could be seen in Oil India, Kolpal, BPCL, BHEL and Piramal Pharma. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.